Right guys, welcome to the How to Crowdfund course. Your crowdfunding journey starts here. From first-hand experience, we've broken down the crowdfunding process into 10 key topics, sharing all the things that we wish we knew when we first started and all the secrets that the crowdfunding platforms won't tell you.
We've spent thousands of hours learning how to raise money, and we know that it can be a full-time job.
Your full-time job is running your actual business. So rather than creating a course which takes weeks to complete, we've distilled everything we've learned about crowdfunding into a format which gets the most effective messages across in the most efficient time.
We've purposely designed this course and separated it into different topics that makes it easy to navigate, so you can come in and access all the tips at any time.
With easy-to-use templates for every topic which we use during our own successful crowdfunding campaigns.
If you're sitting there thinking about crowdfunding for your business, don't worry, we're here to help.
Sign up to our online course today and learn everything there is to know with all the material that you need for how to crowdfund.